Hey guys, welcome back to HR Cabin. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download Form 16 in Excel format for assessment year 2020-21. To download this Form 16 in Excel format, go to hrcabin.com/form16 in Excel format. I will provide the download link of this page in below video description. By clicking on that link, you can come to this page. And it is my website. Once you come to this page, here you can see an option to download Form 16 in Excel format for AY 2020-21. When you click on this link, then the Form 16 will be downloaded automatically. As per the latest income tax rules, all the Form 16s will be available here. Once it downloads, then click on it. The downloaded Form 16 will look like this. Here you can enter your details. After entering your details, you can see the net taxable amount you have to pay for the financial year. So this is an easy way to download the latest Form 16 for free of cost. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to HR Cabin. Thank you.